Hi, my name is Alexis. I'm 26. I'm a part-time transitioning into full-time reseller through ThreadUp, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark for about a month, and I sell to buy-sell trade stores like Plato's Closet and Buffalo Exchange. Today I'll be unboxing two DIY designer boxes, and I have a confession. I opened these boxes already. I just couldn't help it. I came home from work and they were there, and I had watched other people's unboxings while I was at work, and I came home and they were there, and I was like, I can't wait. So I did open these. They were so good. Like, I don't know if everything's going to be authentic. Anyways, let's get into it. Both of these are from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and we all know Mechanicsburg is top of the pyramid for quality. I got a mixed women's 25 box from Suini, and that's my favorite box, and let's just say it was not. They gave me 5 pairs of underwear from Lane Bryant. At least they're new with tags, but I was like, they were only $10.50 each. I was like, and they gave me a lot of Forever 21 and H&M, and I was like, now, why do you have the Forever 21 H&M box if you're just gonna give me this in my mix 25? Anyway, if you want to see that video, I have a video about that. Also, I ordered the sleepwear box. That's insane. $40 plus shipping and handling for 4 sleepwear items. I'm sorry, what? Yeah, I ordered that, so be on the lookout for that video coming to you soon. Okay, first box. They're putting these little tags on here. I believe these are for authentication. However, there is one item that I am questioning. Anyway, classic DIY box item. This Longchamp, it is big. I like it a lot. It's clean for the most part. However, it does have this sprout right here. Anyone know what that's for? It's very clean inside, but it does have some wear on the edges, which does happen. The good thing about these bags is if they are dirty, you can just throw them into the washing machine. And I have a local consignment shop that does like trade-in, and they traded me in $50 for a Longchamp bag like that. So I think I'm just gonna start taking them all there so I can trade them in for some like Lululemon leggings or something. Okay, next, this brand is new to me, Carven gray, like jersey material, tank, small. This was pretty cool. Acne Studios. It does have some marks on it. You can tell it is worn. However, this t-shirt, it says Acne Studios Stockholm, and the logo seems like it's like catty corner. I don't know. This is probably like a $300 t-shirt, to be honest. It does say extra small and does have this like authentication, made in Portugal, and it's cotton. Chloe made in France, T38. I don't know what that means. This is cool. Sheer. It looks pretty small. It does have a rip somewhere, I believe. Oh, right here. It does have a rip on the seam, but honestly, I'm happy about this. Very delicate. These identification tags on everything. I do like these a lot. Jimmy Choo wedge Sandals, they do have wear. This is my first pair of Jimmy Choos. The bottoms look clean. This is just residue from a sticker, and they're like patent leather. We have some, oh, this came on this. We have some Todds. I don't like getting Todds. I've actually never tried to sell Todds by myself, but they just seem grandma-y to me. No offense, if you're a grandma and you wear Todds, you go girl. But these, the heels look a little odd. These Todds are actually dirty. The last ones I got were very clean, and I sent them back into ThredUp and they did well. And a partner kit. Are these like interchangeable? Like, do these change into heels or something? Or are the heels just like that? These are size 8.5. The last thing in this box was so cool. Here's the ID tag. I got this Bottega Veneta box. This is a wallet. Keep having to pause because I live in the city and it's just so loud. If you live in the city, you know it's just gonna be a thing about my videos is background noise. Just adds character to the video. Okay, this is like woven leather, very, very clean. You can tell it's worn, but the leather is so soft. Come in here, it has the ID tag. There was something, oh wait, no, not in this one. Then there's this. It comes with a little like original purchase booklet thing, and we have a dust bag. It's just so loud outside. And we have this little like metal tag. This person saved everything, but this wallet is so soft and so nice. Okay, that was the first box, and I was pretty happy about that. Where I'm gonna need your help with authentication. We're just having issues today. Okay, this is the biggest Longchamp I've gotten. It is dirty on the outside, pretty dirty. Does have some marks on the inside, but again, these are great because you can just throw them into the washing machine. I've done that before. I ran it on like a tap water cycle with regular detergent. That's what I read on Google, and it worked for the last bag. So luckily this one doesn't have any rips on the edges, but it is pretty dirty. This I thought was pretty cool. Jimmy Choo crossbody. But when you open it, it has red lipstick all inside. And sometimes when I get bags, I'm like, who the heck pays $3,000 for a Jimmy Choo bag and then just by chance spills their lipstick in it? Like what are you doing? So honestly, some of the bags that I order, I'm just like, what were you doing? Like, I don't treat my bag from Forever 21 like that. I don't treat my Marona Target bags like that. Universal Thread, Faded Glory. I wouldn't even treat my Faded Glory bags like that. Come on. So next, the Kooples size 0 stretchy tube top dress, ruffle dress. I don't see any rips or anything in this. It is very sheer. This, I've never tried to sell this on my own, but when I took this to Buffalo Exchange, it did really well. These cool Jimmy Choos, size 38.5, made in Spain. look like this on the bottom. Pretty worn, but all in all, pretty clean. And these are a cool style. I like how they don't come all the way down and have these like little indents here. Very cool. Another Chloe piece, 38.5 again. Pretty worn on the bottoms, but all in all, still got life in them. Straps look good, has this little fringe. The dye from the red did bleed into the soles, but yeah, and there is like toe prints here. I don't know, but all in all, I feel like when your foot's in there, it doesn't matter. So this Burberry wallet actually fell out. It's actually the 6th thing. And the last thing, I don't know if this is real. It did have one of these on it. This Louis Vuitton. And I saw Jess, another YouTuber, got a Louis Vuitton bag, and she was going back and forth about whether or not it was real. I don't know. This doesn't have any ID number. I believe if it is real, it's a vintage wallet. It has this Louis Vuitton stamp, and if you know about Louis Vuitton, the authentic O's will be like a full circle. They won't be like oval shaped. They'll be a big circle, and these are. And it has a trademark, and it says made in USA under license, fabric design. It's kind of clean. Like this has some like shimmer in it. I don't know. This feels like canvas. This feels like plastic. This side has no markings. There might have been something here on this part. When I looked online, I couldn't find this exact one, but there's a similar one with a zipper and it on the outside, and then on the inside it says Saks Avenue 5th, and I don't know. So can anyone help me? I can't tell if this is real. I don't know if it smells like real leather. It does not have a strong scent at all, so it could be plastic. I don't know. Also, the stitching inside is a little, I don't know. The only other marking that I see is this B here. There's like a B right here. A B with a line through it. Does anyone know what that means? I don't know. I honestly have no idea. I guess if it's fake, I'm just gonna use it and pretend like I paid full price for this. Use it for me. Anyway, I'm so happy that I have over 100 subscribers. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thanks for watching me. If you want to watch more unboxings, that's pretty much what I do. Also, I want to start doing some what sold videos. Like I said, I'm going full time. And Poshmark has been going well for me, I think. So anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and see you later.